We are going now to talk about essential oil and products that are coming with essential oil. We have the bath, and so we brought back the Moldavite bath salt that inside, of course, has essential oils, and also the Moldavite oil. They are the same scent. There is Moldavite powder in them. They are extremely powerful. So for those who do not know much about the Moldavites, it is a stone that comes from a mysterious group of galaxy objects and a meteor. It comes from a meteor that collide on Earth 14.8 million years ago. And it has really quite interesting properties, and it's a really good oil for meditation, of course, protection, and also manifestation. It's the oil from space, we can say. So we have the Moldavite products back. We have a new product that some of you maybe have seen in advertisements. It's the aromatherapy pens. So we have different ones, different color. And so the way they work, it's you can use your favorite essential oil, and inside the pack you have different cotton pad to be able to use it. So inside it comes with more than one ink replacement and the pad, and so there is different colors of the pen. Inside here, it's where you will have it's added here, the little piece of special cotton pad where you will put essential oil, and as you are writing, it is really diffusing essential oil. So let's say that you're at work and you feel that your brain is not focused enough, or that you need more energy, or that you are, for whatever you need, you will put one of the essential oil that we will go quickly around. So there is different colors. I believe we have 4 different colors, some blue, some purple, we might have some green. So there is different color of those pens. I really love, and they also comes with a little pouch if you want to bring them everywhere with you. So now, of course, all our essential oil. This year, a new blend that will have only we can produce a lot, but we are not going to bring a lot, as it is a really specific blend for high blood pressure. So every essential oils that we have, the way they work, number one, it's by inhaling. So of course you can put them on your body, and so with your own heat, natural heat, that is not boiling, automatically you keep 100% of the essential oil potency, and it will be creating a cloud around you of healing. Now, as you smell, it goes directly into your brain and tap into the different part of the brain for true healing. Now, of course, essential oils is not just going into the brain. You can have it into the bloodstream, and so it will have different effect. So we have a description on our online store, aromance.com online store, the entire description of our oils. We have, of course, all the blends, and so right now, still with all the post-COVID, we still need to make sure that you are using a little bit of disinfectant, and so we have different way of using them. But so like with the season, the disinfectant spray that comes as a spray here, or that you can buy the disinfectant oil and you can make it on your own, as we tell you how to do it. It's really easy. You are using some lavender hydrosol. So the hydrosol that we are selling here, that is not water. It's a water base. It's between water and aromatherapy. So you put some hydrosol, and so you can put, so on this one there is directly the disinfectant blend, and or you have lemon, eucalyptus, and thyme in the hydrosols. We have, of course, the stress blend for really the shoulders and when you are stressed, and so we have also the blend for parasympathetic when you have like anxiety. We have lots of different ones. Of course, the mind brain power for your brain to have energy and to really feel refreshed. We have the good morning, that is a really amazing blend to use into one of those machines or in your nebulizer or diffuser, to as soon as you get up, to shift fully your body from night hormones to day hormones, and it makes you happy. We have, of course, as we are entering the winter, we have Winter Oasis. That is a blend that is going to shift your house, as, of course, we cannot open the windows, and we feel often a little bit too much inside, not be able to breathe. And so Winter Oasis brings actually some oasis into your house for you to feel refreshed, but again joy based, because we need a lot of happy mood, and winter sometimes it's difficult to get that, even more if we don't have too much, the period we don't have too much sun. So Winter Oasis is with the sun in a bottle. Inside you have eucalyptus and mandarin. We have, of course, the Taoist blend, that is one of our main blend with the Shaolin. So those two are really the healing one. So the Shaolin can be used for a lot of different things. Me, I love to take it like after a meal, or if I have a sore throat. It comes in a roller on drops, and so you put one drop under your tongue, and so when you buy it, of course there is the full description online, but we can also give you a little paper of how to use the Shaolin. Then the Taoist, it's to prevent, actually to be sick. So the best way is to, of course, in the air, but you can put it under your feet at every night, like a couple of drops, 1 or 2 drops under your feet, and you will actually boost your entire immune system. Then we have all the Pachamama, of course, that is Pachamama, rainforest, that are really blends to feel like if you were in the forest, like in jungle, and it's grounding. It's grounding, and it's really good for the first and 7th chakra. So first chakra to ground, to feel that you are happy with who you are, and at the same time opens up the 7th chakra. We have the meditation blend that, well, for meditation, and that opens really all your chakra. It's pure wood, lots of wood, it's really strong, and so you can use it on your wrist, or you put a little bit on your third eyes, or you can also put it into your nebulizer, but it's a really thicker blend, so it's best to use it directly on the skin. Of course, when you put essential oil on your skin, you want to make sure that you don't have too sensitive skins. There is some essential oil that are not recommended to put on the skin, but everybody is a little bit different, so you can do a test and see how you react. But I often recommend you put the oil and then you add one of our, we love two of the carrier oil. The first one is moringa, so it comes in different formats, even with like a dropper, and you can put like 1 drop of essential oil, 1 drop of a carrier oil, and in this case, so it's just you are protected. One is on or your other carrier oil that is more like for you can use for the hair, for face, for body. It's what we call the monoi, that isn't also organic, and the scent is absolutely amazing. So the monoi is an product that comes from France, from Tahiti, and it is the one that we have here is a mix of so the one from Tahiti, but we add a little bit of moringa because the base is coconut oil. Of course, here in winter it becomes hard really quickly. This one is still a little bit liquid, but so the best to have it in your bathroom when it's warm and it's ready to use, and on your body like it's a cloud. I use that every morning. It's like it's a cloud of hydration, and it's absolutely amazing. Everybody loves the smell. So now there is more, of course, of the blend that I didn't describe, like the deep sleep, energy power, and I think their name are clear. Deep sleep is an incredible essential oil that you put on the back of your neck when you go to bed, if you have trouble to fall asleep, or if you have tendency to wake up in the middle of the night. The energy power, it's the same. It's an oil that you can use all day long for energy, and we have, of course, some more on healing, like the muscle and joint, and a really amazing one, the sportive blend. So the muscle and joint is muscle and joint. The sportive, it's more tendons, so tendinitis. But it also works really well if you any type of shock that you can have in the body where you have a pain. You put that, and automatically the oil will reduce instantly the symptoms. So now we have also, after that, all the individual essential oil, and we are definitively in the city the only one who are carrying so much essential oil. We have extremely exotic oil that you probably never heard of, and during the open house, of course, and when we are open during the week all year round, you can come, and all the white cap you can open and smell, and you will see you are going to take a journey. And so of course often the best is to smell whatever you like, just it's the one that you need. Sometimes it can be the opposite for some specific problem that you can have, but mostly come and smell. We have absolutely like incredible oils. We are trying to have mostly organic oils, even when some are written organic and some are, we know that they're organic, but so we cannot write automatically that they're organic because we don't automatically have all the documentation. But most of our oil are organic or wild, like from the field. So the quality of our essential oils are therapeutic. We do not sell anything that is chemical. There is absolutely no chemical in our essential oils. So yes, so again, so this is the hydrosols. this is all the essential oils, the individual one, and here we have the blend, and here we have more of there is a couple of blend like the nasal and throat spray, but it's mostly the carrier oil or the oil for your body. And this is everything about the essential oils.